In today's video, we are going to learn 25 words that are going to help you on your next trip to Italy, or if you're just learning Italian for fun. Car, macchina, macchina. A building, un edificio. CIO sounds like cho. What I love about this word is it starts with Eddie, so I can pretend Eddie is the landlord. It's Eddie's building. Un edificio. Our next word is bus. Bus in Italian is un autobus. Un autobus. A monument is un monumento. Un monumento. A church is una chiesa. Una chiesa. CH in Italian makes a K sound when the letter I or E comes after it. A bike. Una bici. A bike. Una bici. Whenever you have a letters CI or CE, the C makes a ch, just like in ciao. Another way of saying bike is bicycle. We have two words in English and they have two words in Italian as well. A bicycle, the longer version in Italian, is una bicicletta. Una bicicletta. A store or shop, un negozio. Un negozio. What I like about this word is it nearly sounds like the word negotiate, and that helps me think that I'm buying something. The city is la città. The city, la città. You'll notice that there is an accent mark on the letter A. Some words have this in Italian, and when you see an accented vowel at the end of a word, that means that it's actually going to stay the same in singular and plural. So if I said two cities, it would be due città, with the A still kept. So it is an exception to normal grammar rules. A fountain is una fontana. Una fontana. And the most popular fountain in the world is the Trevi Fountain, or Fontana di Trevi, and that can be found in Rome or Roma. A train, un treno. Un treno. Trains are very important ways of public transportation, so this could be very useful if you go to Italy. A park, un parco. Un parco. The traffic, il traffico. Il traffico. A museum, un museo. Un museo. The theater, the theater, as in we are going to see performances, Nutcracker, a play, etc. I'm not talking about going to the movies to see something on the screen. This is un teatro. Un teatro. The movie theater or cinema. This is un cinema. It's spelled cinema, but it makes a ch because of the grammar rules of CI and CE making a ch sound. So again, this is un cinema. A hospital, un ospedale. Un ospedale. A restaurant, un ristorante. Un ristorante. One way to say coffee shop is un bar. Un bar. A bank is una banca. Una banca. A hotel, un albergo. Un albergo. Now what's fun about the word albergo is that you can remember it based on a play of words. Al, like a guy's name. The bear, so the teddy bear, is going with you to the hotel. Albergo. Just a silly way to try to help yourself remember this, as it doesn't look anything like inglese, like English. A school, una scuola. Una scuola. A university, un università. Un università. A station, una stazione. A station, una stazione. A stadium, which could mean a sports stadium or a concert stadium, is uno stadio. Uno stadio. Looking for more videos like this? Like and subscribe. And guess what? We also teach private and group Italian lessons through Knowledge Adventures in online sessions. So message us for details if you would like to learn more. Ciao!